রায়মার্টিন কোশ্চেন ব্যাংক ক্লাস 7 মডেল কোশ্চেন পেপার 1 নিয়ে আজকে আলোচনা করব। মডেল কোশ্চেন পেপার 1 আলিপুরদুয়ার হাই স্কুল। টিক দ্য কারেক্ট অল্টারনেটিভ। Akbar was troubled by a riddle. Here your majesty refers to Akbar. Answer the following questions. What was the simple question to which Akbar could not find an answer? What is the fastest thing on this planet was the simple question to which Akbar could not find an answer. Who was certain that he could answer Akbar's questions? Birbal was certain that he could answer Akbar's question. Write T for true and F for false statements. Provide supporting statements in favor of your answer. Akbar addressed Birbal as his dearest friend. True. Akbar replied, Birbal, my dearest friend. Birbal wanted to call the courtiers to answer Akbar's questions. True. Call your courtiers together. Reading comprehension unseen থেকে complete the following statements with information from the passage. Kuldhara was abandoned overnight in the early 19th century. The ghost village was once inhabited by Paliwal Brahmins. The blend of history and legend makes Kuldhara a captivating place to learn about Rajasthan's rich cultural heritage. Answer the following questions. Why was Kuldhara deserted according to legends? According to legends, the village Kuldhara was deserted due to the oppressive demand of a local ruler who wished to marry a village girl against her will. Why are visitors drawn to Kuldhara? Visitors are drawn to Kuldhara to its mysterious aura and the stories that echo through its empty lanes. Grammar and vocabulary. Do as directed. It is raining now. Sangita reads in class 7. He is looking very sad, as gentle as a hog. I was not aware of this. I wasn't aware of this. Chessboard, chess plus board. Why did your brother write such a letter? Why such a letter written by your brother? Question mark. My father said to me, may God reward your labor. My father prayed that God might reward my labor. Find words from the unseen passage in question number 2 that mean the following. Number 1, occupied. Answer, inhabited. Number 2, cruel. Answer, oppressive.